Hi, I'm Dr. Rohan Navelkar and I'm an ENT surgeon from Mumbai. I've developed a group of applications called the Entina ENT Specialist applications, which are now available on the Android store, the Google Play Store, and they're all free to download. They are mainly applications which are ENT specific and they're meant for patients suffering from ENT conditions. It's a step forward in the technological revolution which the medical science is now facing. Hi, this is Entina Voice Clinic. It is meant mainly for singers and those who are training to be singers. What it does is that it records your highest and your lowest tone, and it gives you the tone, the note and the pitch. It also gives you an average range of voice. I'll give you an example of exactly how that happens. So as you can see, you have my highest and you have my lowest note as well as my range. So now I will compare it with that of singers. So I have run this module on the top 5 songs of more than 100 national and international singers. So you can compare your voice range with that of the singers, as well as you have an interpretation of the note and the frequency which is required. It also has a voice training module, so you can just see that once. So as you can see, as I raise my pitch, it keeps increasing and the airplane flies. So the objective of this visual game is that you have to keep increasing your frequency and the plane keeps flying. So that you end up increasing your voice range in total. Now the next application is the Entina Visual Hearing Aid. This is an application which is meant for those who are hearing impaired. What it does is it creates something like live subtitles. So if you keep this application on, it continuously records whatever a person is saying and it converts it to text and you are able to read whatever is being said. So I'll give you an example of that also.
This is the Visual Hearing Aid app. So whatever I speak will be shown here live, and when I stop speaking it will appear here as a history. I can only speak when the red light is being shown, otherwise it is not recording. And it automatically starts recording once the first part of the recording has been processed. Now I can also change language by pressing this. अब जो भी हिंदी में बोला जाएगा वो यहाँ पे दिखाई देगा. मराठीमध्ये जे पण बोलणार ते इथे दिसणार.
So not only does it have support for regional languages, it's also got a continuous listening process which can be heard, which it keeps listening to and it keeps converting to text. So it's a very useful tool to have, especially for if you have an old member in the family. So you can talk when you're holding the phone in your hand, and as I'm speaking that it actually remembers the language which you had chosen the last time, and when you restart the app it starts with the same language. So my next application is the Entina Nose Shapes. This is an application which is more of a game or a fun-like thing. As you know, there are different faces, different facial shapes and sizes, and every face has a perfect nose. So what I have done is I have got about 50 celebrity noses. You can choose among the male and the female national and international celebrity noses, and you can place them on your own face and just see how they look in general on your face. So it's more of a fun-like app, and it actually shows whether there is any change in your aesthetic appearance in case of a change in the shape of your nose. Now please do remember that your actual nose after surgery cannot ever look like this. So for that you need to actually have a consultation with an ENT surgeon to figure out exactly how you would look after a nose surgery. However, it also has one more feature, and that is it measures your nose in relation to your face, and it tells you whether your nose is perfect for your face or not. And it tells you exactly where your nose is going wrong, whether it is too long, too short, too wide, or too much projection, and accordingly it generates a report. So as you can see, it's a little bit of a process to get the shape of the nose and the shape of the face fixed, but at the end of the day you get a proper result of exactly what is wrong or what is right in your nose. So that is the result being generated, which shows exactly what is lacking in the nose. And it also has information about rhinoplasty, the most frequently asked questions which we deal with, and answers to those questions. Now, my next application is Antenna Thyroid. This is meant for those people suffering from thyroid conditions. It's one of the best applications in the market, I can say for sure, for logging all the important information related to investigations and your weight tracking, medications which are being taken, as well as symptom tracking. So you start off by choosing an avatar which you like and entering your name. Once you do that, it has a record. As you can see, there is a particular investigation page where it is not being filled now. So if I fill my investigations or the patient's investigations at this point of time, so you have to also give a date for it, and it remembers your investigations of the past. It also shows you a log as compared to normalcy and shows you all your past investigations. Remember, if you have not filled a field, it doesn't show that field. And any investigation which is out of range, it shows it as red. So it is easy to remember. This is a weight tracker. So you can log your weight and it creates a graph. Both a graph as well as a date and a table like thing which has a date as well as your weight along with it. So as you can see, this is the chart as well as the down you can see the list of dates and the weight accordingly. The next thing is the symptom tracker. So it doesn't matter whether you're hypo or hyperthyroid, but all your symptoms can be logged in one place. So to select your symptom and increase the scale severity if, corresponding to the severity of the symptom, and it keeps a track of the symptom and it makes an average of the symptoms as you progress. And overall, over a period of time, you can not only see your individual symptoms, but you can also see your average symptoms which you have had over whatever span that you use the application. It also keeps a record of your medications, the strength of the medication, when it was started, and it also has a reminder system. So if you click the reminder option, you get to remember, the phone sets a reminder and it sets an alarm for that particular time, reminding you to take your medications. There is also a very simple button there which you can see up there that I have taken my tablets. That's also there on the main screen, so it's very easy. In case once you take your tablets, you have to just enter a record and it stays. This is the report section which creates a proper PDF report which can be shared with any doctor, not only me. You can share it with any of your any doctor, anyone who's treating you, and accordingly that person will get a proper report of all your medications, all your symptoms, all your investigations, your weight, everything all in one place, which makes it much easier for a doctor managing the condition. My next application is the Antenna Allergy Finder. This is an application which is the only way that you can find which allergen is responsible for your allergy without actually undergoing a physical test. So this application, there are a lot of allergens in the environment, thousands and thousands of them, and I can show you a log of the allergen. So there are so many different allergens that are there. So finding which allergen is responsible for your allergy is a very uphill task. So this application actually logs all the different common allergens that are there, including food, aero allergen and contact allergen, and you just need to keep a record of this by selecting the different allergens you have come in contact with in the last 48 hours before having an allergic attack. This works not only for occasional allergies but also for long-standing allergies. So it points your attention to those places in your house or your workplace which may be responsible or harboring some sort of allergen, and you have to try and clean that area or try and dispose of the allergen and then see if there is any improvement in your symptoms. There's also a page for results which shows all your results in one place. And finally, yoga for allergy, different time-tested proven yogic methods by which you can get rid of your allergies. And finally, the Entina AI-powered ENT Specialist app. This application is a very small, simple application for diagnosing your medical condition, diagnosing your ENT-related condition. It not only diagnoses but also gives you a small idea about your the investigations you will require as well as the treatment module which you will require. So I'll just give you an example of how it's happening here. You have to just select your chief complaints and it asks you a very few relevant questions which you have to go through, and accordingly it generates a differential diagnosis, and this differential diagnosis also includes a small treatment. We also have an online consultation service which you can use to get in touch with us anytime. We also have this service for snoring. So we have a snoring analysis system which again asks you a few questions and tells you whether you suffer from sleep apnea or it is only snoring. So very few relevant questions toward that. And we also have a module for vertigo. So it asks you a few relevant questions for this also, and very quickly you can come to a diagnosis whether it is an ENT related vertigo or not. And we have a system of alternate drugs. So in case you are trying to find a particular medication and you are not able to get it, so you can just go through our module and select that medication, and instantly it gives you a list of medications which have the same content and you can buy that. This is something which is being updated on a regular basis, so you will get the latest different medications for it. So finally, this is the Entina group of applications, 6 applications as of now and many more to come. So please feel free to download it from the Google Play Store. They are absolutely free.